Hey wine friends, how you doing today? Welcome, welcome. So what I decided to do, I've got a lot of questions about using this tool here. It's called a Coravin. I don't get anything out of Coravin, but maybe I should. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to use this correctly. A lot of people don't use it correctly. I don't know even know what it is. There's a argon capsule in here. Listen, see there, it pushes argon down this hypodermic needle that goes into the wine. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to do it correctly. One thing you need to do it correctly is do not punch through the foil because it'll eventually ruin the hypodermic needle. So we'll get that thing off right now. The way you want to do it is this way. You can take just the top off, or personally, I like the next level down this way. The reason I like the next level down is there's a little piece of more foil at the top that could always stick and fall into someone's glass. So I don't like doing that. Okay, so now we got it ready, so it's just cork only. This happens to be a Cabernet Sauvignon 2021 from Alexander Valley. Anybody know where that's from? Is it Napa or Sonoma? Alexander Valley. I'll let you think about that, I'll tell you later. Okay, so you pull this up, then attach it to the bottle, and it comes with this little bottle holder. If you go to the Coravin website, they will tell you to put this on the bottle so that the bottle doesn't explode. Wow. What? So let's hope the bottle doesn't explode. Push it down slowly, all the way, clicked. So now it's ready to go. So the way this works is you tap this. Now let's just say this was a 1973 bottle of Chateau Lafite Rothschild. So you don't want to waste it, but you want to taste it. So remember, a taste is about an ounce. That's really all you need. If you hold this too long, what's going to happen is this. Actually, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way and then the wrong way. So this is the right way. See, nothing's coming out because there's no displacement. There's nothing in there to let it out. But if I do this, look at that, just that much, literally a second. So that's not an ounce. We'll do it again. It's putting argon gas into the bottle. So watch, see how it stops? It stops, there's nothing else coming out. That's the way you do it correctly. So when I come back up, it doesn't suck in O2, oxygen, which will ruin your 1973 bottle of Rothschild wine. So this is enough to do a quick taste. Yeah, you can smell it, you can do forth. Now let me show you how to do it the wrong way. I guess I better get rid of this so you can see that I'm pouring it. Now, what is also happening, this is not aerating. I got a cool tool that I'll show you next time on a different video. So now I'm gonna do it the wrong way. Remember, I only want an ounce, but I'm gonna count to 2. 1001, 1002. But all I wanted was an ounce. Oh my gosh, it's at my ounce. Do you hear that? Sucked in oxygen. Worst thing you can do is suck in oxygen. So now the argon is in there. You can see it. Now there's oxygen in there. So it'll start aging just that little bit of oxygen because you're probably going to go home and lay it down back in your cellar like you're supposed to do. But now it's got oxygen in it. Did y'all hear that sound? So that's the wrong way to do it. Again, the right way, you want to taste, right? That fast. I'm talking snap your finger fast. Because see, it's still dripping. And I did it really quickly. If you wait till it's done, you can even shake it a little bit, but you don't need to. A lot of people will shake it out to make that last drop get out. See, nothing sucked in. So, have any questions? You can hit me up at Wineaux Guy at andygonzalez.com. That's WINEAUXGUY, andygonzalez.com. And there'll be more little tricks that you can do with this. Peace out. Cheers.